Today marks a significant moment in our journey back to full vehicle production for our people, suppliers, customers, and retailers as we begin the controlled phase restart of our operations, starting with our Wolverhampton plant, where we make engines for our luxury vehicles, vehicle manufacturing in Nitra, Slovakia, and our battery assembly center in the West Midlands. Colleagues will also begin to return today to our stampings operations in Castle Bromwich and Hayleywood, closely followed by a restart of Range Rover production lines in Solihull this Thursday. Wolverhampton is one of the first sites to restart production because it's where we build all of the engines for JLR's vehicles ahead of vehicle production taking place. Today, we've welcomed back 1,000 employees to Wolverhampton, and there is a strong sense of unity and momentum as we get back to doing what we do best, building quality luxury vehicles for our customers.
Für mehr Videos einfach abonnieren.